Basically, skywalking is like playing a violin solo in public and learning the instrument as one goes on. You just start. Here is a map that's almost 1,400 years old. Perhaps this is an old type GPS map. This is from Ed Krupp, who runs the Griffith Park Observatory. It was in his book, Echoes of the Ancient Skies. It says, 9 sets of footprints mark the dance steps in the pace of Yu, spelled Y-U. This is Chinese. Tang Dynasty adepts, 600 to 900 AD, tripped this light fantastic. The dance pattern was meant to carry the star treader, the Taoist star treader, around and through the stars of the Big Dipper, and probably derives from a much older shamanic ritual of mystical ascent to the celestial realm of cosmic order. And here's another style of a GPS map, over 100 years old. The Eastern Siberian Chukchi in the USSR, with a strong sense of direction and choice, explicitly recognized the two-way traffic in the heavens. Maps show the way and minimize the risk of becoming lost. Paths to the worlds of dawn and evening and darkness pass through the central pole star, the axis of the world. Skywalking and the concept of the world axis may be as old as the Old Stone Age, and also may have been associated with the shaman's spiritual ascent to the sky. The fallen figure in front of the bison in this painting from the famous cave of Lascaux, dating 17,000 years and more, could easily represent a shaman in trance. His avian head suggests an affiliation with birds and flight, and the post just below him is topped with a bird. It's reasonable to argue it may stand for the cosmic axis by which the shaman in trance climbs to the celestial realm. This is also from Ed Krupp at the Griffith Park Observatory. This is a very recent skywalking map I came across. It's an art installation piece on the ice fields of the South Pole. Conceived and executed by Los Angeles artist Lita Albuquerque, titled Stellar Axis, Antarctica, 12/22/06. It's a scaled-down reflection of the South Pole's night sky at that location on the summer solstice. There, it's winter solstice here. In other words, it mirrors the stars in the night sky directly above that location on December 22nd, 2006. Personally, I've wondered if the word axis isn't a coincidental homonym for access. Is access hidden here? Remember, everything we see hides something we don't really readily see. I'm going to zoom in and then zoom out of this wondrous contemporary GPS sky map of Lita's. This is a beautiful picture up close of the spheres that are scaled to represent those stars straight above. And then we pull back and see the complete field with the stars. Now we look up at the South Pole night sky in negative. And now the South Pole sky, night sky in positive. And of all things, here's a picture of Lita's sketch for this piece when she began the whole thing. It's called Capturing Starlight. It's so suggestive.